this day 7th of October every year is the birthday of this great icon, Prince Abayomi Johnson, the Oluomo Agbekoya Worldwide, and the Director, Nigeria and South Africa Cultural Foundation, Prince Abayomi Johnson. As you celebrate your birthday today, may God give you a long, healthy and self-satisfying life ahead. May all your unfulfilled desires come true on your special day. May God continue to shower you with blessings and happiness. May He always keep you in His tender and loving care. May you never cry over your kids and your wife. You will live long and never die young. Happy birthday. From Ade Omo Ade, Director, African Media, Arts and Black Heritage International.